reviews were also very good. So I went through that only to into the Ninja and Cloud9 also. And overall, I had a very good experience. This is my first pregnancy, so I had very so many questions I had with her, but she resolved each and every questions, and she was always available. Even one time I had a pain. I had some gas and all, and I called her up at 1:30 a.m. and she was available at that time also. तो ओवरऑल अच्छा रहा मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जर्नी एंड ऑल. फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी है तो एज आई टोल्ड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस भी थे एंड बहुत चीज़ें भी थी जो ऑब्वियसली नहीं पता थी एंड बट शी गाइडेड वेरी वेल टू मी. You need to do exercise, you need to do all these things, and she was very adamant also कि करना ही है. It's not something that, you know, if I was going to her and if I was telling her I did not do exercise today and all those things, so she was guiding कि नहीं करना ही है because if you want to go for normal delivery you have to do, and the diet also she maintained very well. ओवरऑल जर्नी पोस्ट डिलीवरी ऑल्सो मेरी जर्नी बहुत मतलब ड्यूरिंग डिलीवरी एंड पोस्ट डिलीवरी ऑल्सो आई हैड अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस विद हर. We were supposed to go for normal only, we tried for that only, but somehow because of some complication we couldn't go. तो वो बहुत अच्छा है फिर भी एक्सपीरियंस था कि she tried, I also tried, but because I had cyst, so we couldn't go with that normal operation, with normal delivery, we had to go with CSAC. But with that also she removed my cyst as well. Otherwise doctors are not, sometimes they are not very much concerned, but at that time she was very concerned that we need to remove the cyst as well. Those were very big. तो साथ साथ वो भी उन्होंने ऑपरेट करके कर दिया. एंड उसके बाद में भी पोस्ट दिस ऑल्सो शी गाइडेड वेरी वेल कि ऐसे करना है, ऐसे होना चाहिए, यू नीड टू गो थ्रू दिस एंड ऑल दोस थिंग, एंड वेरी यू नो very particularly strict also with your diet, with your exercise and all the thing, which is obviously very good. So I would suggest anytime you can go for her.